Remember, subscribe, hit the post notification bell too, Yeah, man. And leave a comment and thoughts, in the comment section, Okay? Full joy.
God, please forgive me for what I'm about to do.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Hey! Squeak! Hey! Baby donkey go a hee haw. Donkey go a hee haw. Donkey bring me want. Donkey bring me want. Anything we go down and tilt up a seesaw. Anyway, you see the donkey, so me not care. Me not travel upon no country bus. Me a travel upon the donkey. Why? School. Me not travel upon no. Hey, yes, one of that country boy. Not no nice like when I travel upon the donkey, no. I'm my son to tell you. Why? School. Come donkey. Go on. Why? Drink some water now. Tap a river now. Why? School. Me not travel upon the country bus. Me a travel upon the donkey. Hey, brrr. Aye, oh yeah. Easy now, donkey. Whoa.
One more thing, come on. One more thing, come on.
Virgin, I work.
Come on.
What you say?
For a serious level. You know, allow the man woman alone.
What you mean?
Me see say you like her, man. No tell me that, man. Remember say you can't fight, you're a coward. And me see you pray the man woman, me not like that. You see, how the man a rock your office, You think you run?
Me a coward.
Of course.
So hold on. Who I coward? No you.
How?
No you run.
No, man, I told me I want put up myself in a bigger problem. I want twist up his face. I want get into white kung fu. That's why I love you alone. I'm turn up in the corner and I watch him see man at church office.
Listen to me, I say. You're a coward. You a coward.
How me a coward?
Are you a coward? Because you wanna me and you ever a practice one way you say
Yeah.
what you say I do.
We practice it.
And now you're supposed to protect me and your virgin.
No,
Right?
listen, me never
And
want.
you left.
Me think
Virgin, are you a coward?
me tell you, me never want.
What that call me for?
No, me never want twist up in man's face. Lord, the man woman alone,
So
man.
that means say there for your mind all along then, virgin.
Yeah, Lord, the man woman
I'm matter of fact, listen me.
You can't fight.
Listen me.
I'm tired to tell you.
Listen me. The female that come here today.
And you can't also see you.
So listen, me no want you go on like say you want show her no cold shoulder or give her no cold shoulder I mean or
You
whatever.
say no make him come here today.
Listen me man.
I don't like say you can't fight. I mean, I tell you no. I tell you no.
Timbo, she's coming here today
Dan,
and we are going
Dan, you hear me say? I tell you, where she a go pan? Remember say me and you alone upon the donkey can't say no. Where she a go pan to come here?
She will travel upon it.
Travel power. Dan, me no want her near me, Dan.
No bother with that man. No bother with that.
You just see a man
Relax,
a rock here, Dan.
Relax man. Sometimes you feel like a things in a man.
Dan, if you make him come here. Make him come here. Me have me catapult. I want me catapult. Make him come here. Make him come, Dan.
You alright, you know?
Dan, if you know. All right, Dan. I don't like that girl, man.
The girl is a nice girl. She's a nice young lady.
Nice, no?
So
Go on.
how you fight against her? Sir?
Me not fight against her, man.
Remember, say me need a family,
Family out of she. Family out of she.
So me are gonna need a lady.
Dan, do better. Do better. You know, I don't feel the angle to go up on the road here, man. Because I'm not going to chop nothing. Me vex. Let's go about cook. I cook nothing more.
Hello? Yeah, where are you now? Alright, listen. Yeah, where are you now? Alright, good. Just when you come by the entrance of Grand Bush, just stop right out there. I'm coming out there to meet you. Right. Yeah, I'm coming now. Alright. Timber, soon come back. I'm go for your girl. Yeah, what you do? Carry cat put down there, so. Right, Auntie Murdy. Listen, me, man. Everything alright.
Don,
Everything alright.
Don,
Listen, me, man. Remember saying you do your thing, So if I nothing, you can defend with. And guess what? The man gone to prison. Remember say the man gone to prison, man. So everything alright, man. But I go ask you.
nowadays people can come out of prison, Don.
Just give me a chance, let me go there. Don't.
All right, do your thing, but tell her not come near me.
Shum da 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 dum.
Tell her to stay 100
I just say me
meters
a
from
come
me.
Wali follow.
Can them,
Wow.
I'm okay. How are you?
Looking lovely.
Thanks.
Come on and shade, man. Yeah. So, as you can see, lifestyle, this is my place.
So all of them are here?
No, man. I don't mind them about my grandfather used to drive them tractor, way back.
Okay, and why you just like this?
That's how you meet me. So, don't mind the side, the kind of body road bad, so I'm not gonna make you leave the car right here, so yeah? I don't want to mash up the front end,
A far?
I'm not far, man. I just right down there, son.
You sure say you can go?
Just follow my lead, man. No, I don't want nothing big. I run there really, really bad. Remember a donkey? Donkey can't move, so a donkey road.
Well, as long as you jagger, alright. You sure say it good?
Yeah, man, a good man. That's my place,
You know that too much in the road?
It's alright. Remember me tell you if you go over there, sir. Right?
Well,
I'm
okay.
mainly donkey traverse them road there, so don't worry yourself.
Okay, so how far from here so you live?
Quiet at this time. See, say road start get bad now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But it is far.
Uh, probably to you.
You're used to the place, it's not gonna be far to you.
You street, man. Man, little walking is good for the legs,
Who tell us
Can't
something to exercise?
can't stay a long time, walking, pay drive.
Well, yeah. Because then if you have the vehicle, you're going to make you safe.
Not true.
Right.
So, how long now you drive? You seem to be a very good driver.
Um,
You
but
better,
you,
you better than me.
why?
But I bet you can operate a donkey cart.
No, I cannot.
Okay.
It's the first time I saw one of them see with yours.
Okay. Yeah, man. So, like I said, the road start get bad now. So the car the right around the corner, so I'm gonna just get a tour of the community, right? Yeah, man. So see my brethren now, so on the
That's,
cart.
that's the one I'm going to say with.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We are gonna get a tour of the place, now. I'll put up on the donkey cart,
We not do that.
Of course. Yeah, man. Today we are turning a country girl, man. I go ride on donkey cart.
Make sure you can manage it.
Years me operate this. My father, and my father cart, but he died. Yeah, man. So, we operate them things from ages.
Okay.
Hey. Alright, so let's go.
Me I go for this?
Yes, you're going on it. Come. Step up on the wheel.
Some people put my foot all the way over.
Yeah, man, just step up on the wheel and go. Okay, so you have two options. You can either sit down flat or you can stand up and hold on each of our shoulders.
Alright, me hold on.
Alright, no problem. Let me get the car. Alright. Easy, easy. Easy, Jimmy. Alright, ready now. Hold on good enough.
Move.
Now you're dropping me.
Move.
Remember one family now, so don't be afraid, man. Loosen up. Right?
Okay.
Yeah, you're officially a country girl now, right? Hey, go on, Jimmy.
We never think more than this something like this.
Yeah, man. So we are going to tie up on your farm now, yeah? Alright. Easy, Jimmy.
Just never think more than this something like this.
Well, today is the day. Feel me, man.
Well,
Alright.
I'm gonna come down.
Alright, I'm going to take it down. From the back.
The board not gonna break.
No, man. Sturdy like that. Man. Mind the cutlass right there. So. Easy. Jump now. So you're waiting, man. You're waiting. Huh? Jeez. Yeah, man. So this is how we have farm, you know?
Okay, so you have a donkey, you have pigs, what else?
Yeah, man. That's strictly farming we do, you know, in this community. You know? Man, and the big ones over there, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man.
So, what do you mean?
This. Alright, so this. Come closer now. Alright, so in layman term, you see when you have them pregnant, we put them in yourself.
Okay.
Facing that way so them no smash them piglets, you understand? So the piglets can come all the way around here and you know? Yeah, man, so that's pretty much what we use it for, you know?
Understand, but it look like it's been a while since the pig them give birth.
Well, not really, you know, because I can see we have a lot of
So you
piglets
just
in
let
there
them do them
and
thing over there, so.
but we are trying to get brother to clean up the place because too so busy. We have to go
Right.
to the market and stuff. Him say no want to work. So one of them do me and Timbo have to just take some time and clean up the place, you know?
Why him not want it too big?
Long story, he's a Rasta and him say no clean up down and say.
Well, I understand. So I never know where I come from.
No really, you know. It's a lady tell me about him, say him clean up place and you know, I tell the lady to send him come, you know?
Well, I understand.
Yeah. But alright, we're not gonna stay too long here, so we're gonna give you a tour up on the farm.
You have cow?
Yeah, man, we have a couple of cows as well. I have a couple of other cows and I'll show you my house and thing right up there, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Donn, we don't like this, you know. I don't like this.
Alright. Well, enjoy the motion.
I mean, it's alright.
Yeah, man, we are both in the mountains and all, you know. But I stop by my house first. Yeah. Give us some water to drink, you know? Yeah.
Bad idea this one done. Bad idea this one.
Like Master Jonathan forget to clean up in the farm. Yeah. Well, I tell you.
I don't talk about Jonathan right now. I talk about this year, this year, this year.
Go on, man.
We want it today, you know. I don't like to talk to you, you know.
Hey, JJ. Hey, JJ.
Listen, I go on my yard, you know. I tell you already, you know. I tell you already, today, I still disobey me. Dan, what you want to listen, man? I look you reach already.
Timbo, everything is alright, man. Cool,
Everything.
no, man.
Me said, don't come down on my yard, come call me if
Cool,
anything
man.
I'm up here, so.
You see the princess
Don't
bring
look
the
for
trouble,
me, you
sir?
know. Don't look for me.
The princess not bring no trouble, sir.
Me not,
No, she look nice.
you can't even bring trouble
Just
until you go there.
cool, man.
You see, oh.
Anyway, I watch it. That's alright, yeah?
I see a man, yeah?
Tomorrow. Cause you know easy, you know. Yeah, come on, sir. You can't go on, man. Take it easy.
All right.
Come on. Hold on. Me might have go flip, you know. Yeah, man. So, sun hot, you know. Even though you will bring the heat, you know. You need something to drink?
Yeah, just some water.
Yeah, man, we have water in our crib, man. I'll run to get the water and come back. I'll show you some more places down there, so. When you come back, we can chill out inside, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, man. Alright, me I come there. I drink the water.
Yeah, water.
Pure water, you know. Real Jamaican style, you know.
Thanks.
Yeah. Alright, so real bush we are going now, you know. Right? I'm going to show you my farm and some other places, right? Alright. Yeah, man. You suppose you're a pro now, you know. Alright, you can go by yourself, you're a pro now. Alright. Man, not even help me take off the bag them, you know, man. Why? Hold on there. Take off them bag of parts, yeah? Hold on.
Don't need to respect.
Hold on the country girl. Alright, just make it come to one now. Hold on there, boy. Are you man go them still, you know? Are you look them fine? But I'm going to rest them inside till they come back here.
Alright. Ready now?
Yeah, man, I'm coming. You're eager to go in that bush, eh?
Yes.
Alright, you're going to sit down beside me this time, yeah? I remember I said for my boy in there, you know.
Oh, very good.
See, you look nice for my cat. Beautiful like a princess. Well, you're a princess. That's the young son. Now the hills. Yeah, man. Alright, that's
Okay,
it.
so I have a question.
Yeah.
Why your actual name?
Or my actual name.
Yeah.
Never tell them my name.
Dan.
Okay. Yeah, man. Them call me Donn.
That's your alias.
Yeah,
Your
that.
name.
Yeah, man. That's my alias still, but my current name is Rowan Daly.
Okay, Ron.
But I don't know, from small them just call me Donn. I think it's because my portray like a Donn behavior, you know? I don't know why. But from probably about 6 years old, them call me Donn.
Okay.
Right name is Rowan Daly, you know?
And you like what you do?
I love this. Remember, you know, a country this, you know, fresh air. And I like, you know, the town where the carbon monoxide, enough and nothing there. You know what I mean? So oxygen clean. Yeah, man, we do the farming and food good, you know?
Yeah, say your friend now. What going with him?
Him good, man. Him alright, man. That's the man. A long time, me and my friends.
Say, man, give me like attitude, man, understand, say, you know.
Him good, man. What I watch you? I tell you, I'm gonna come around. Alright?
Hopefully.
The reason why I stop here, so want to introduce her to them cheese. I don't know if you know them already, but this is a tamarind cheese.
Yes, I'm familiar with that.
We call it tamarind.
Right.
Yeah, man, alright. That one over there, so. Yeah, man. I want thinking to achieve that. Yeah, man. You can't eat, you know.
No, I'm not eat that.
Man. I can go for one, yeah, come show you. Yeah, man, so on. Yeah, man, see it here. A local site right here, you know. But in the country, I would call it thinking tour. Yeah, man, you can eat it in one piece.
No.
I know poison, man.
But no, that.
Can eat, man. Simple thing. Some of them tough. You have to use a rock stone and bust it. Yeah, man, so eat here. And piece. Can eat, man. Eat,
Let me try.
can eat, man.
Yeah.
That's why we call it thinking tour. You have a foul smell, but it's nice, man.
No, I know that tastes good. I can come down now.
No, we are
I ready
booked
to go
up.
around, sir?
We are booked up.
Okay.
Anyway, let's go. Hold on good here. Watch out, watch out. Good boy, good boy. Good boy.
So which way your parents take?
You know, so my father, old man, drop out. Yeah, something I love to talk about still, you know. Yeah, man, so I'll say this farm right here is ours, you know. And we have another big farm right around there. And another one over there we plant yam only.
Okay, that's a lot of yam.
Yeah, man. As I did tell me down the road, say your mother love growing producer, you want to support the business. So, a matter of fact, I'm not going to even charge Timbo like it.
Him like me. You know you doing.
Alright, so we are going to take a walk over the farm now.
So we can walk right here, sir?
No, let's do it. I don't want you to drop off, no man, I'm not going to open the country just there.
Right.
Although I'm a big first aider. So. Yeah! You know, walk with my cutlass. And just me, it will become a part of me. Walk around. Soon come back. You vex with me? Alright, safe drive, yeah?
Okay.
Alright, later,
Bye.
yeah?
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
We will go.
Shanice, come here.
Where are from? We're going to feel like his friend. One friend.
Ele say, I see you and they don't for that why. I make sure say, and you I don't know. Make sure that the animal family is the story is not true.
Well,
Because we don't know. Don't remember what they're talking. Listen to what me I tell you so no. Remember say, baby and their prison, and that we say that was in a for lifetime. I don't like seeing prison again. He might not come back. And he's still prison. He pay my bills. He take care of me. And he take care of you.
you can talk now.
Me not. Let me talk. Me no want this young person here say you and that they don't can't boy in a things. Stay far from that boy.
Mommy, you should remember if you have a child, you don't want it. I don't want to be. But he is very bad.
Listen, be good.
I am not,
Get right.
I am not a child anymore. And the donkey cat boy, who is a man, and he will like Donn, he's just my friend, and I'm not afraid too.
You can have friends.
But,
But listen, sometimes friendship just go on you.
well, I just my friend.
So if I'm your friend, I'm your friend. We can't tell us to be a friend. But make sure say, you know, go no way personal. Try not to get too tight. Because we don't want defense to step us on here.
I don't want to say
Say, listen to me now. Listen to me carefully. Make sure say, you don't have to let the car while you're driving around with that car. Make sure say, you know, drive the car because I've done a deviant car.
We don't pick up anybody with me. We just got to team and come back. I didn't even stay that long.
One day, you know.
Where do you have to get more repeat? I just want to and I did that prison with my little.
All right. Make sure. I remember the one you. How can you walk? They make the lambs too. Butcher your corner. I don't want nobody butcher you.
Yeah, man. It's nice to see you another day. Eh?
Well, it's nice to see you. So I'm going to wait for come back and see you.
Alright, so I carry down the riverside. Eh? Chill out a little bit down the riverside here.
You're going to the water? You're going to the water?
If you want to, know. Every morning your boy go to the river, you know.
I guess we have to come sleep over so we can go over to every morning.
Sure, them things they make you fit, you know.
Sure, so we can sleep over.
Of course.
Did not know that was an option.
Yeah, man, always.
Okay.
So, you see right there, where you see them two pegs there? Suppose me tell you, say, you ever heard about arrow wax?
No.
Hmm?
No.
Seriously? You think I never go to school?
Well, I can educate me. I'm listening.
Yeah, them say, right there, sir. Them say two arrow wax buried down there.
Okay, sounds interesting.
So when we walk, we normally walk way over there, so because, you know, people say them afraid of ducky.
You afraid?
No, sir.
Well, you might be not afraid because
Afraid.
you know
Afraid of what?
you come from both the place.
I'm telling you, man.
Maybe if I never did I walk with you, I meet your boat, but I turn back.
No, sir. See that? And deep hole right there, so, you know.
What is that deep?
Yeah, man, that's so deep. When I look up, boy, right there, so, you see even deeper. You know which part water gone? But grow on yourself still. I'll take off a pass. Alright. Take your time. I'm going to teach you something about river now. Step down. Alright. You see? You see all that stone them when you see no water and run pan? Dangerous stone them. Them stone that you slide pan them stone. Them stone that usually slippery.
Really?
So you see the ones that with the water run on, those are the ones that you step on. Those are the safer ones, right?
Okay.
Yeah man. So take your time. Feel how the one that's slippery? Alright. Just sit down right there, sir. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, pull up. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Yeah man, so right there somebody I tell us that's why it's deep one time I don't know how you get so shallow. Because you see the rock there? When when I about 10 years old I used to dive off of this very night. So I don't know how come to get so shallow you know.
God, please forgive me for what I'm about to do. But me can't, God, me just want you to understand. Me have to protect my peace. Me have to protect me and my daughter well-being. Me have to protect it, God, with all my heart, body, mind, and soul. I can't make this a look how donkey cat boy you come mash up with life just so. Like everything just gone down your drain just so. No, sir.
Yeah man, so this is it. Paradise. Yeah man. You're boy come down at every morning, come do come to thing them.
My boy. Okay. Well, enough about the river. Again.
Him said river. Yeah?
Again. I want you to apologize about, my boyfriend and everything that happened. We never really get to talk to you another time because the place is kind of noisy and then you're afraid and then, so really start about everything.
That's alright man. We don't talk about that now. We're up on the
Okay.
riverside.
Okay.
Enjoy yourself. But the place nice. You don't really come down here that often again, like one time still, but we need a dip to just come down here. Come on. It's nice though.
Well, thanks.
Beautiful, you know? Mm-hmm. What shot up there? Mm-hmm.
Oh, the water cool.
Yeah man, power night you know. You feel it? Yeah man. Beautiful, you know? It's come on, cherry.
Mommy,
Wow.
Hey, Shanice, where are you, my princess?
I'm at the river with Daddy.
You're with you're with Don? Okay, all right. I'm home. I'm just washing dishes and stuff. So guess what? I want you to bring him over, right? I'm making dinner, so you can just bring him over for dinner. Cause since he's a friend, I'm not going to act as if I'm all this, awful. So just bring him over, all right?
Wait, really? We, yeah. Alright, mega asking, but like, alright.
You can bring him over for dinner like 7 o'clock.
7? Alright, mommy. Okay, later. Alright. Guess what?
Well, go on.
Mommy can come over for dinner 7 o'clock.
Yeah?
Yes, and you cannot be late.
Yeah, okay.
7.
Get accepted.
You accepting?
Wow. Big old progress that man.
Thank you.
So you are going. I'm going to deal with some things, you know, and then get ready.
Okay.
Because we have some something to go do. So I wrap up, and then by time ready, by time we're done, I'm supposed to 7 o'clock. So let's go. Take your time.
If I was further, even if I have a dream, I could actually go in the water. And you know, I'm actually happy for mommy actually want to over for dinner.
What time she say again?
Actually excited about that 7.
7. Alright.
Don't believe it, you know. Don't believe it, you know. Cause I know
Can't mess up that. Jimmy, soon come back.
You just be careful, Danny boy. Not every smile a smile, and not every welcome a welcome.
Thank you, Jimmy.
Walk good.
Alright.
Shani,
Mommy?
come here. Where the girl?
What?
Somebody's at the gate.
Oh, it's Donn. Come up. It's Donn.
Go on, let him in. Go on, go let him in.
Yeah, man, so go on. Yes, nice though.
Yes.
Hold on. What your mother name again? Merle. Oh. Hello, Miss Merle.
Hi, Don.
What you doing?
I'm fabulous.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you can come on inside, man.
Alright, thanks.
But you have manners though, you take off your shoes.
Something good on Miss Merle.
I see.
It's a very nice place, though, Miss Merle.
Yes, thank you. We're trying, you know?
Yeah, you're looking really nice.
You can have a seat over there.
Thank you very much.
I'm going to prepare your dinner.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. You alright, Don?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, you can go inside the room, you know. Shanice in there. You can go in there until we finish prepare. Then I can call you guys out for dinner.
Okay.
Alright? Alright, so guys, dinner is ready.
You can't tell me, you can't answer that riddle there.
Alright, so I'll be in my room, alright?
Okay, Mr. Mayor.
Alright, so Don, you already know which one is yours, where you are sitting.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Alright, enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Wait, no, but I don't understand. Because you said the riddle is your father have one chain. I don't know.
Father have one chain. Every time it grow on the track, this side papa.
No, I can't figure it out.
You give up?
Wait.
Just say you give up.
I'm going to give up. I won't.
This child.
Really?
Simple
But
as that.
most of my car, nothing never close to the
This
answer.
child. I'll igloo you say a while ago. So let us pray. Most righteous and eternal God, bless our food. Let this food be nourishing to our bodies, mighty God. Cleanse it, mighty God. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ, name I pray. Amen.
Amen.
Yeah, man. Nice door. One time I eat breast and now on the leg and time I eat still, but working because I don't know.
No, that's alright. We can switch. It's alright. We can switch.
You serious?
Yeah, we can switch. No biggie.
Alright.
Here.
Alright, thanks. So, after I finish, you can tell some more really.
No, that bust my brain. You have to feel me. Alright, what is the difference between a light bulb and a pregnant woman?
You're not supposed to talk with food now, no. That's it. That's the answer.
You're unfair. What?
Say have a promise.
Because I have a little conflict.
What?
You want to hear?
Mm-hmm.
I'm just looking for like a more and more. Like the more time we spend on each other.
Mm-hmm.
Eat me a child.
But I say the same, you know. We're hungry, then. You're
Okay.
not supposed to make a money blush when you're hungry.
Alright, you
I
can
don't have
eat.
it still.
You can eat.
Well, that's funny, you know. I can't believe that after your boyfriend meet up, so. But they have so. Our funny bud. Thank you. Miss Merle! What? Shanice, what are you? Miss Merle! Shanice, Miss Merle! Miss Merle! Miss Merle! Shanice,
Yes,
is up
what
there.
happened?
She jumped up. We don't do it, Miss Merle. Jesus. Hold on. Now call the ambulance.
What you do to me, baby?
No, do it, Miss Merle.
What you do to me, baby?
No, do it, Miss Merle. Yeah, we can't get an ambulance. Right. It has field scheme, lot 612. So, yes. Somebody just stop down and let him unconscious. Please. Send an ambulance right now, please.
You see? Yeah, man, you talk about me and late. From man, me do everything way there. Eh? Boy, I have my ball. Me alone can't control them. You know? How are you? I beat them again.
Hey, listen, hold on. Shanice in the hospital.
I man beat him up.
Remember, say man gone to prison, brother.
Then the man can't say man go beat him up.
Listen, man. I go up to the house for dinner last night. And we eat some food. Just drop down, brother.
Oh, him just drop down. So she did sick. I sick somebody.
Boy, I don't know, no, brother.
Why me feel it for you? God knows.
So, Bridget, when she drop, you swear that she dead in a brother like me. I said,
So,
why?
you know what happened to her and she don't know record her sick in. What we shot? Hospital she don't know.
Yeah, man.
What?
Yeah, what going?
Alright, man, tell you the truth, you know, Dan. We kind of feel sorry for her right now, you know. As much as me and her talk because he make him boyfriend beat you. But I tell you the truth, I feel it for her. I'm sorry for you too. And that really make you come out so late. Tell us love about the girl, man.
I'm not going to work this morning. Later when I fall, I can do some work. Just feed the hog them, I go down to the hospital. I find out what's going on.
Give her my regard, but it makes you feel like, say, my heart there weird a zero, so.
Alright, just do it. Now go down to the hospital, alright?
God,
Right now I'm stressed out, brother.
forgive me, Father God. Thank you, God. I'm going to feed the hog. Come in, Lucy.
Thank you, son. Are you what happened?
Hey, Doc!
Huh?
Go on there.
Oh, okay. Okay, man. What's up, man? How are you doing?
I'm Shani's fiance, as I know, man.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Son. Put these in the car. Wait, as a matter of fact, give me the clipboard. Just put up a car in the vehicle for me now, please. All right, hold on. Here's the car key. All right, I'll be there soon. So what's up, man?
Boy, Doc, I'm stressed out, you know, man.
Boy, I could imagine.
Tell him, man.
You know what?
How is she doing?
Well, I should put it pretty. I have some good news. And you know, good news sometimes come with bad news. I also have some bad news. All right? What you digest was a type of poison, food poison. But yes, and the test that result that came back.
Serious?
Yes, sir. It's not the traditional poison. It's something very, very serious. You have E. coli poisoning, and you have the botulism. It's two of the worst type of.
So hold on.
Well, some in the she has to digest it somehow. So I don't want to really know how she digest that or how it, not assisting anyway. I will leave that up to whatever, but she does need a surgery.
One sec, now get a call. Give me a second, let me call her back, please. Alright, yes. Yes, Doc.
It's very expensive. In order to save her life, it's very expensive. And I'm not talking about no one or two. It's gonna cost you like maybe like $3 million to do the procedure.
$3 million?
Yes, because it's a surgery. It has to be done just to get her on the safe side. But with the surgery, she will live. Okay, you understand? So I don't know, but
Doc, anything to make she live. Give me, you have an account number?
well,
The
yeah,
banking account.
we I can't. I have my card here. I could write the account number.
Yeah, give me the banking account number, Doc, please.
Yeah. All right. This is my card, and this is the account number. But guess, the sooner you act, is the better for her. You understand?
Alright, Doc.
But yeah.
Doc, just give me a few seconds, please.
Huh?
Just give me a few seconds. Doc, just 1 second. 1 second. Yes. Do me a favor right now.
Sorry to say, no, try and hurry it up, because I have a meeting to go to here.
Yes, Doc, I'm coming. Do me a quick favor right now. Send $3 million from my checking account to this account number. I'm gonna WhatsApp the number right away. Okay? Alright. Do that right now. Right now. Okay.
What's his name? Donn? Actually,
sir.
I have a meeting to attend to, so I'm asking us, just
Coming
I
to you,
have to
sir.
move soon.
Doc.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so you said that as soon as I get the cash.
No, man, that's how the thing going. As soon as the funds is released,
You can go ahead
start the
you
procedure.
you can go ahead and check your account, Doc.
Do what?
Check your account.
Check my account.
Yes, Doc.
Okay. Hold on. See, you mean seriously? Hold on. Yeah, hold on. Ooh. See, is this?
Yes, Doc.
Whoa, that was quick. Okay.
Doc, I have to go now. You have my number, so give me a call, alright? Thank you very
Excellent.
much.
All right, we'll start the procedure first thing in the morning.
Yes,
all right.
Doc. Yes, Doc.
That was quick. Wow.
Take your time, take your time. How you feel now?
I feel a lot better, but I'm still need some time for recover.
Good.
So what going to do?
I'm there, you know.
How your friend?
Left my park and just work.
Okay.
Be a company, my company as well. Very more got a market and stuff. And you know, I come look for you.
Yeah. Then, I have a question. I'm open, can be honest. Where you get the money to pay for the surgery? That's a lot of money. Like a lot of money.
Long story. That's a very long story.
Well, we have time, or you can cut it short.
You see, Shanice, see in life, certain things that you see on the outside, right? It's a total different thing that is going on the inside. And I'm going to tell a little secret. Don't tell anyone, right?
Okay.
Don't tell anyone. Shanice, I'm a very, very wealthy man.
What? We mean wealthy? Wealthy? So, I'm confused. With the donkey cart, everything.
So like I said, this is not something that I should disclose at any given time, but in that It's like, you have a very, you have a spot in my heart where, boy, I first me was this. So I'm gonna tell you, right? But trust me, just please don't tell anyone. Like I said, I'm a very wealthy man, even at supermarket today. That you went inside.
Right, to get the water.
Yes, that's my supermarket. And the haberdashery that is adjacent to it, that's my establishment as well. But like I said, please do not tell anyone.
Okay. So I'm not what?
Hmm?
I'm gonna follow.
Yeah. So yeah, we can change the topic now. Now that you are aware. So how you feeling differently?
Well, feel a lot better now that we get to save. But I'm alright. I'm okay.
I'm gonna sleep for a couple of nights, and trust me. I just step on my mind from that thing that happened, and it's like I just a picture you on the ground when I fell that night. You know what I mean? So it's a rough one, trust me. But thanks be to God you are here.
Also, I was thinking about moving into. Is that okay?
Yeah, that would be awesome. Trust me. Can start a family as well, you know? But
Yes, I'd like that too.
yeah, knock yourself. Till I get better one thing we can discuss that going forward, right?
Right.
I forgot to leave you now because Timber wait for me, we want to see we can go to market right now. So if I need anything, just call me, right?
I will.
Alright, so later.
Um,
Hmm?
thanks for everything. Really appreciate it.
You're welcome, David. Later.
Be safe.
Well, I'll see you, right?
Donn, where you going?
I have some unfinished business to take care of.
You don't have to leave so fast now. You can stay a little longer, even until tomorrow.
You can call me, man. Call me if anything, right?
Okay, alright then. Don't be a stranger now. Ensure that you always come around here.
Right. Thank you very much.
And please be safe and take care of yourself on the road, alright?
Alright, just call me if anything, right?
Yes, alright.
Thanks.
Remember, be careful now.
Yes, Miss Nora. Hi.
I wonder if the donkey cat boy that.
Now you lose everything.
Jimmy.
You're a fool, Danny boy.
No.
Love will make you do some crazy stuff.
Girl, I'm glad they're alright and everything in it. You smell so figure this. Girl, I'm glad they're alright and everything. Oh, you know more ask you? So where you get the money from? See what I hear? Where you get the money from to pay for the surgery? Davian did left money I feel.
Which Davian? Davian, I don't think he know. No, him don't leave the money.
So where you get money from?
You'll be surprised. You see the donkey cat boy we are star about, the donkey cat man we are star about boy, him pay to you.
Where you get money from? And him broke so like that.
Stop it. No, you have to stop it for true.
He look broke, in cat broke, in donkey look broke.
Stop. Stop.
Everything about him broke.
Yeah, no, I don't know. Him for broke and him pay for the surgery.
So where you get 3 million from?
Girl, let me tell you something. He's very wealthy. Like you see the supermarket, them always are going and buy things. Even the day when I go buy the water and Davian beat him up, I feel him supermarket and the Arbor Dashley. I feel one. The man have business internationally and locally, so stay there.
I forced me to hear that. Anyways, I'm glad you're alright. I'm glad you're alright and I'm glad him pay you. Your surgery. Anyway, I'm get him money from car. Come like me, I forgot put him up and ask so Miss 3.8 million. Anyways, you know say.
Why you never got asked who missed the money when Davian gone to jail? Yeah? Davian better than nobody?
Davian is my boy. Anyways, my phone go down because you know some my face.
Every time when I come up here, I have something to do. You always say, anyways, me I go in now. Anyways, when you come out, tell mom to come here.
But you know me a study girl.
But me do like so when
nursing school, me
so when you go come spend some time with my understand, but you don't feel like someone miss you.
Miss you too.
Anyways, tell mom to me I call her.
What time I come up here, Mama want you. But I say I go today, I'm my best friend.
At least we make you stay longer, because as you come here, I go here back. Charles, remember, don't tell nobody. Nobody. I'm serious. Don't tell nobody.
Bowa.
Alright, good.
Timber boy. I go make you rich, but you have to keep your mouth. Your heart weak, Timber boy.
You have made it to the end of episode 2 of Donn and the Donkey Cart. Thank you for watching and I hope you do enjoy it. Guys, I just want to implore you, just subscribe and share the channel. And I must confess guys, we do have some challenges with equipments. So if anybody out there seriously want to help out Maggy Films with some equipments, the number is right here, right? Reach out to us. I also want to thank everyone that has played their part in this movie. Yes, well played guys, well played. And do remember, share the channel, like and subscribe. It is very integral in getting this channel to be a success story, right? Yeah man. So, guess what? Big man, come make the people, come talk to the people, man. It's a Timber your people.
Yeah! I'm not the hat, you know. I'm not the water boat. I'm not the suit, but you know, it's a timber.
The big man.
So if you don't want to see more, me beg you know, please subscribe.
Yeah man.
Because I'm going in every movie when I post. I promise you, if as long as them foot your work and them hand your work, I will be right at Maggy Films.
Right.
So please, if you want to share, it's better for we.
Yeah.
We're not for the hawks, for look, you know, but the more you share, it's better. And you will see more movie. More movie.
Just like that. Just like that.
As him say, equipment really relevant for you because I tell you the truth, they say without equipment, good movie can't show.
Can't produce, right?
Because to him write the movie, me I tell you. Me confess, most of the time say this a movie I do way far more better. And I don't business. Because it do good. And that's why I work with Maggy Films because when me sit down and me watch me, I say, you know, if we did a shoot movie that way, the quality would have more better instead of it. No, but me remember, subscribe.
Yeah, man.
PFS Films here,
Maggy Films.
Maggy Films, and
I'm
every
remember, you know.
films too.
Remember, you know, and I just Maggy Films, you know. PFS Films, Richard Brown Films, Jamie Wood,
One
Paradise
thing.
Nation, a one umbrella, a unity we are dealing, right? Big up on yourself, viewers and subscribers. Always, every time. And so my brother, yeah, we're not going to see us until we're tired. See it?
One more comedy
yourself.
next coming.
Look out. That one I got epic. I'm not telling you the name yet, you know, but look out.
See you here.
Outside.
Maggy Films.
The reason I said that is more I should feel free to express myself.
Okay.
Yeah. Start back on top again. Yeah.
All right. Ready? And action.
Yeah, man, so this is my little village, you know.
Okay,
Grand
do
pushing.
my hair.
Hmm?
Do my hair.
No, but grandfather used to operate them. Alright, no do that, no do that. Nah, man. Ready? Hey. Just go and raise the man. Yo. Yeah, easy now. Afternoon, youth and youth.
Afternoon, Rastafari.
Alright. We think what we want. Jack and stout.
Me and right now.
Yes, I like the way
You like to see
let
this?
it space.
Hey, nah, check out the part.
Are you fun for that people?
Come now. No man, so we can go. Eh? Oh, you come here, sir. You use that, sir. Catch him now.
You know, go on, you come.
Yeah. Are you late now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I told me down and come on with that.
So I go look sad and I say, yo, I want you. Then beat you up again. You know? Yeah. Everybody come over here, sir. So, ready? Yeah, man. It's nice to see you another day.
Well, it's nice to see you too.
Yeah.
Look for the way to come back and see you.
Yes, 119, what is this?
Come in. Don't you get that one out of here. Hold on, what you say? Then for do what?
Subscribe to
All
Maggy
right.
Films.
All right.
Remember, you know,
See it there?
I'm not going to say enough for me.
Man, just make sure, you know, man. Subscribe, because we are putting whole for work. You see?
100K.
You see how we are
Yeah.
sweat? I feel own, you know.
Never sweat in our life.
See, so me a beg on. Hit the subscribe button.
Bless you
See
all.
donkey there? Make them see donkey, you know. Alright. See donkey there? I Jimmy that. Alright. That's what I'm doing here, so. I yelling up and telling say, subscribe.
Subscribe. God bless you all.
Big up.
Hey! Squeeze!
Santa. Santa.
Yo,
You see who was Santa?
you don't see no who.